You see those 18-wheelers rolling down the highway? They're the backbone of America, hauling everything from groceries to building supplies. And you know what keeps those big rigs running? Diesel mechanics. These skilled workers are the unsung heroes of the trucking industry, keeping America moving. Diesel mechanics diagnose, repair, and maintain the complex engines and systems that power semi-trucks. It's a demanding job, but it's also incredibly rewarding. You'll get your hands dirty, solve problems, and keep America's supply chain moving. Without diesel mechanics, our highways would be a lot emptier, trucks would be stuck in repair shops, deliveries would be delayed, and the economy would take a hit. So, if you're looking for a stable career that's needed nationwide with good earning potential, becoming a diesel mechanic might be the perfect fit. So, you want to be a diesel mechanic? Great, here's how to get started. First, you need a high school diploma or equivalent. Then you have a couple of options: vocational school or an apprenticeship. Vocational schools offer specialized training programs in diesel mechanics. You'll learn the ins and outs of engines, transmissions, brakes, and more. Apprenticeships, on the other hand, combine on-the-job training with classroom instruction. You'll work alongside experienced mechanics, learning the ropes in a real-world setting while earning a paycheck. Whichever path you choose, you'll need to get certified. The National Institute for Automotive Service Excellence, ASE, offers certification tests for diesel mechanics. Certification shows employers you have the skills and knowledge to do the job right. Worried about the cost of training? Don't be. There are ways to get free or low-cost training to become a diesel mechanic. One option is to check with your local Workforce Innovation and Opportunity Act, WIOA program. WIOA offers financial assistance for job training and education. Another option is to look for apprenticeships through trade unions or trucking companies. Many companies are willing to train the next generation of diesel mechanics, and they'll often pay for your training and education. Finally, don't forget about online resources. Websites like Khan Academy and Coursera offer free courses on a variety of subjects, including automotive technology. While these courses won't make you a certified mechanic overnight, they can give you a solid foundation in the basics. Gap 3S. Have you ever thought about taking your career to the next level by starting your own business? As a mobile diesel mechanic, you can do just that. Imagine the freedom of being your own boss, setting your own hours, and choosing the clients you work with. It's a challenging but rewarding path that offers immense satisfaction and financial benefits. First, let's talk about the essentials. To start, you'll need a reliable vehicle outfitted with all the necessary tools and equipment. This might seem like a significant investment, but think of it as the foundation of your new venture. You can start small and expand your toolkit as your business grows. Next, you'll need to market your services. Create a professional website, engage with potential clients on social media, and don't underestimate the power of word-of-mouth referrals. Offering exceptional service will help you build a loyal customer base over time. Another critical aspect is setting your rates. Research the market to determine competitive pricing, but also ensure that your rates cover your operational costs and provide you with a fair profit. Remember, as a mobile mechanic, you offer the convenience of on-site repairs, which is a valuable service that clients are often willing to pay a premium for. Finally, consider obtaining the necessary licenses and insurance to operate legally and protect your business. This might include a business license, liability insurance, and any specific certifications required in your area. Starting your own mobile diesel mechanic business is no small feat, but with dedication, hard work, and a passion for diesel mechanics, you can build a thriving enterprise. Imagine the satisfaction of helping clients get back on the road while enjoying the independence and flexibility of running your own business. Gap 3S. Ready to take the leap? The road to becoming a successful mobile diesel mechanic starts with a single step. Now let's talk money. How much can you earn as a diesel mechanic? Well, it depends on your experience, location, and certifications. But on average, diesel mechanics make a good living. Entry-level diesel mechanics can expect to earn around $40,000 to $50,000 per year. As you gain experience and certifications, your earning potential increases significantly. Experienced diesel mechanics can earn upwards of $70,000 to $80,000 per year, and some even make six figures. Plus, many diesel mechanics receive benefits like health insurance, retirement plans, and paid time off. So, if you're looking for a stable career with good pay and benefits, becoming a diesel mechanic is definitely worth considering. So, are you ready to roll up your sleeves and get your hands dirty? The trucking industry needs skilled diesel mechanics, and there's never been a better time to join the trade. If you found this information helpful, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel for more career tips. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. We're here to help you jumpstart your career as a diesel mechanic.